Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable WhatsApp chat lock. So in the case that you guys enable the WhatsApp chat lock over on the WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to disable this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application, and once you're already here, I want you guys to go ahead and go to the chat lock tab. That's going to be located on top of the archive tab, and if you can't locate it, just go ahead and just swipe down and you should see your locked chat tab. Now go ahead and tap on that, scan your Face ID, tap on the chat that you have just locked, and tap on their names. Next, I want you to scroll down and tap on the chat lock option to go ahead and basically tap on the toggle button right here to disable the chat lock and have this chat, well, unlocked. Now that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.